Hello students, welcome to my channel. Today's topic is changes physical and chemical. Change is the law of nature. If we observe around us every day, we are going through a lot of changes. For example, day changes into night, seasons are changing, milk is changing into curd, seed grows and changes into a plant, a child grows and changes into adult, etc. There are different types of changes. Today we will talk about these different kinds of changes. First is slow changes. Changes which take place over a long period of time are called slow changes because they take place slowly in nature. For example, rusting of iron, changing of milk into curd, ripening of fruits, changing of water into ice, changing of seasons. These type of changes take long time, so they are called slow changes. Fast changes, changes which occur very fast, maybe within a few seconds or a few minutes, are known as fast changes. For example, bursting of balloon, bursting of firecracker, cutting of vegetables, lightning an electric bulb, burning of paper, etc. comes under this type of changes. Next is reversible changes. Changes which can be reversed to get the original substance back are known as reversible changes. For example, when we boil the water changes into steam, but when the steam cools down, it changes back again into water. So this type of change are known as reversible changes. Other examples are stretching of rubber band, drying of clothes, melting of wax, etc. The irreversible changes, changes that cannot be reversed to get original substance back, are known as irreversible changes, because in this change the original substance will not get back. For example, falling of leaves. After falling, leaves cannot be attached with tree. Changing of milk into curd, because after formation of curd, the curd cannot change into milk. Grinding of wheat or corn are some examples of irreversible changes. Desirable changes, changes that are useful for us, are known as desirable changes. For example, changing of milk into curd, growth of plant, burning of LPG, that is liquid petroleum gas, cooking food, all are desirable changes. Undesirable changes, changes which are harmful for us, are known as undesirable changes. For example, rusting of iron, spoiling of food, flood, earthquake, volcanic eruption, etc. A rain may be a desirable change, but lots of rain turns into flood. Then it becomes undesirable change. Natural changes, changes that take place in nature by themselves and it is not under control of human beings are known as natural changes. For example, rain changing day into night and night into day, forest fire, changing of weather, formation of fruits, rotation of earth, earthquakes, all are natural changes. Artificial changes, changes that take place artificially or by human beings are called artificial changes. For example, manufacturing of goods in factories, formation of buildings, roads, burning of wood, all comes under artificial changes. Periodic changes, changes that repeat themselves after a regular interval of time are known as periodic changes. For example, revolution of earth around the sun, motion of our hand in a clock, change of seasons, high tide, low tide, all are periodic changes. Non-periodic changes, changes that are not repeated after a regular interval of time are known as non-periodic changes. For example, shooting star, volcanic eruption, earthquakes. Because the time of these changes is not fixed. Physical changes. Physical changes are temporary changes. In this change, no new substance is formed. Maybe shape and size change, but change in chemical composition will not take place. For example, melting of ice. Ice will melt and change into water, but if we freeze water, the water will again change into ice. Cutting of vegetables. If we cut vegetable, physical appearance may be changed, but change in chemical composition will not take place. Heating of electric iron, breaking of glass, tearing of paper, formation of sugar and salt solutions, all are physical changes. Chemical changes. Chemical changes are permanent changes. In this change, one or more new substances are formed and chemical property will change in chemical changes. For example, cooking, burning, spoiling of food, ripening of fruit, digestion of food, curdling of milk, all are examples of chemical changes. If you want to check your progress, you can do the practice work. If you like this video, please like, subscribe and share it.